video for you teaching you how to track your food in MyFitnessPal. I set a goal for you to focus on tracking your food for 2 consistent weeks, focusing on consistency and precision. Now, if you did that successfully, you should at this point now have 14 days worth of data. So today what I want to do is I want to walk you through how to utilize the data that you've collected in your MyFitnessPal to set the baseline of your diet. So what you're going to do is I want you to go into your MyFitnessPal and I want you to add up all of the days in a row for the total amount of calories that you consume. For example, if you consumed 2,000 calories a day for the last 14 days, at the end of 14 days, you will have 28,000 calories logged in your MyFitnessPal. Now, what we're trying to do is establish the baseline for your diet. So in order to do that, you need an average amount of calories that you're consuming in the day. All right, guys, part 2 to building a baseline to your diet is not only understanding how many calories you need to consume, but also how to distribute those calories to your macronutrients, being proteins, carbs, and fats. Now, a few weeks ago, I gave you guys a tip on how much protein that you should be eating on a daily basis. I said you should eat anywhere between 0.7 and 1 gram per pound of body weight. So as a secondary goal, I want you to go ahead and calculate that out, multiply 0.7 or 1 gram on the high times the amount of pounds that you weigh to determine how many grams of protein you should be eating on a daily basis. Now, for now, I don't want to set any goals for carbohydrates and fats other than continue tracking your stuff consistently and precisely and start taking a look at these other macronutrients to understand where your normal tendencies are. I find it that either some people are really high fat eaters and low to moderate carb eaters, or some people are really high carb eaters and they don't really get very many healthy fats in their diet. So before we set goals for carbs and fats, let's just continue working on the consistency and the precision while tracking your total daily calories and your protein. So for the next 2 weeks, I want you guys to continue working on your consistency and your precision in tracking in MyFitnessPal, but let's add those 2 additional goals in there of hitting your total daily average calories per day and the amount of protein based on your body weight in there per day as well. After tracking these things for 2 weeks, I will give you the next additional layer to continue to help you to build your baseline of your diet. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like it, and we'll see you guys next week.